Welcome to Money Answers TV. I'm your host, Jordan Goodman of MoneyAnswers.com. Today we're going to find out more about how you can verify that your mortgage payment is correct and possibly qualify for a big refund if it's incorrect. My guest is David Ginsburg, president of Verify My Mortgage. David, welcome to Money Answers TV.
Thank you, Jordan. It's great to be here.
So how big a problem is it that Americans' mortgage payments are being calculated incorrectly?
It's actually a huge problem. We've been auditing thousands of these loans over the years, and we find errors and overcharges in approximately 1/3 of all the loans we've looked at.
So what does Verify My Mortgage do to see if there is a mistake on somebody's mortgage?
Well, what we do, the homeowner or the borrower would submit to us a copy of the loan agreement, any loan history documents they have, and a recent statement from their lender. Then we use our proprietary software, we analyze all those documents, and we determine what the correct payments should be and what the correct loan balance should be. And then we compare those two, and we determine if there is, in fact, an overcharge or a miscalculation.
What are some of the typical reasons why people's mortgage payments are being calculated incorrectly?
Well, with an adjustable rate mortgage, there are many factors there, as you know, that are involved, the index value, rounding procedures, and so on, and those can be miscalculated. With a fixed rate loan, a borrower may have made a partial payment, a prepayment of principal, and that can affect subsequent calculations. And if a homeowner happens to have a home equity line of credit or a HELOC, there are many variables, and they are all variable rate loans. They're adjusting every day, and there are interest calculations for each day of the month. So all of those calculations can sometimes be incorrect, which result in an overcharge for the homeowner.
So what types of mortgages do you audit?
We basically audit all types of loans, all types of residential loans. That would include a fixed rate, a variable rate, and home equity lines of credit. And we also audit commercial loans.
How much have you seen clients overcharge their mortgage payments, and what's the typical overcharge?
We see overcharges occur about 1/3 of the time of all the loans we've looked at. A homeowner client has received a refund of approximately $40,000 from their lender, and the owner of a commercial property recently received a refund of $150,000 from the lender. The typical overcharge for a homeowner can range from $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 up to $5,000, and for a commercial mortgage, the overcharge can be $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 or more.
Once you've determined that a borrower has been paying too much on their mortgage, how do you help them get a refund of what is owed and also correct the payment going forward?
We provide them with a copy of the audit report, and we provide them with a letter for them to send to the lender to obtain a refund for any overcharges and to correctly adjust their payment lower.
So what happens if a bank disputes your analysis and won't give a refund and won't change the mortgage payment going forward?
Well, actually, that happens rarely. In fact, 95% of the time, the lenders do respond with a refund for the homeowner. If that doesn't happen, we provide the homeowner with a letter to send, again, to the lender, and we also advise them what federal regulator to report this to.
So if someone wants to find out more about how they can get their mortgage verified, how can they contact you?
Well, it's very simple. They can go to verifymymortgage.com or contact us at a toll-free number, 1-800-888-6781.
Thanks very much, David.
You're welcome. Thank you.
So if you want to find out if you're paying too much on your mortgage and want to get a refund and adjust your mortgage payment down, check out what Verify My Mortgage might be able to do for you. For Money Answers TV, I'm Jordan Goodman.